Hello everyone, I'm back with another book unboxing video. Now in this video, as usual, I'm going to unbox these Flipkart parcel, and let me tell you, there is a book in this box which one of my students is going to read, and she asked me to order this book because I'm a Flipkart Plus customer, so I don't have to, and I didn't have to pay for the delivery charge, and she got that advantage through my Flipkart account. And so here is the book which I ordered yesterday, delivered today. Can you see the fast delivery for the Plus customer? This thing happens when you are Plus customer, Prime member. So here is the book, and I'm going to unbox finally without wasting your much time. So here is the book, and I'm very disappointed. With the packaging. Yesterday I also unboxed a book, and the publisher is Srishti, and the name of the book is A Think Beyond Forever by Novoneel Chakraborty. This packaging is very disappointing. Flipkart, if you are watching this video, be aware. The quality of the page is pathetic, and I'm not expecting more because I only have spent 105 rupees excluding the service charge. So this is the book, and it's a novel. Novoneel Chakraborty is very popular writer, and if you want to read Novoneel's book, then you can begin reading with this book. Okay, this is a perfect book for the beginners. So that's it for now.